I'd like to help you understand this particular money making strategy more clearly. So the first indicator we're going to use in this indicator is called Lean Ridge -MACD, which can be found in the indicator section. To optimize this indicator and make money through trading, you'll need to adjust its settings. So head over to its settings and in the Inputs tab, set the signal smoothing to 20. And then change the linear regression length to 6. The Lean Ridge MACD indicator is a simple buy and sell indicator. But I don't recommend entering the trades based on this indicator by its own, as this can lead to increased drawdown percentages. So let's complete the strategy by adding some more tools. But before that, you can check out our trading signals on the TradeGenius Telegram channel. If you are struggling to make a profit from trading, you'll find the link to the Telegram channel in the video's description. So now we're going to use the linear regression slope indicator as the second indicator. So to make this indicator a money-making indicator in our trading strategy, let's head over to its settings and adjust the curve length to 20. Then the slope length to 2. And then the signal length to 50. So now when a buy signal is issued, check out whether the column corresponding to the signal candle is green in the linear regression oscillator. If it is green, the buy signal is confirmed. And similarly, when a sell signal is issued, check whether the column corresponding to the signal candle is red in the linear regression oscillator. If it is red, the sell signal is confirmed. And to ensure that you trade in the direction of the trend, we'll use an indicator that is called 10 indicators in one. To optimize this tool, head over to its settings and enable SMA 100 and disable all other options. Then change colors 0 and 1 to green and red respectively. Now let's review the trading rules. To enter a buy trade, a buy signal must be issued first. Then check for the confirmation from the linear regression slope oscillator. Next, confirm the trend direction using 10 indicators in one. If the histogram of this indicator is green, the market is trending upward. Once you have confirmed the buy signal by these indicators, enter the buy trade at the close price of the signal candle. Then place the stop loss below the swing low. And And finally, adjust the risk-reward ratio to 1 to 1.5. And to enter a sell trade, a sell signal must be issued first. Then check for the confirmation from the linear regression slope oscillator. And then confirm the trend direction using the 10 indicators and 1 oscillator. If the indicator is red, the market is trending downward. Once you've confirmed the sell signal, enter the sell trade at the close price of the signal candle. Then place the stop loss above the swing high. And adjust the risk-reward ratio to 1 to 1.5. After understanding the strategy, it's time to backtest it. So here's the result for the backtesting on Ethereum chart and the 5-minute time frame. After doing 100 trades, the win rate was 68% and the profit was 272% in 7 weeks, which is great. If you want to learn another great profitable strategy, you need to watch this video.